Hey there, welcome to Stock Traders Club. We are back in week 51, and today we are going to understand what happened in this week for USD yen pair. As you can see, we are on 1 hour time frame, and we have already posted our last week's video where we went through how there is a negative sentiment in the market for USD yen. So in week 50, we have seen that the buyers tried, but then the sellers took over, and the control is still with the sellers. Now, with this context, let's quickly enter week 51, which you see on the right side of the dotted line on the screen. So that's what is week 51 about, and let's dive deeper into it. So as you see in the previous week, we have the last level somewhere over here. So let's mark that out. That's where we have seen the buyers the last time, and then we have the sellers completely taken control over as the price has almost reached this level. So now once again we are operating under the conditions of these two lines, which are the resistance and the support lines, and let's see what happens. So as the price has come down, we see some sort of a commotion here, nothing really happened, and the prices just goes in the sideways movement. There's no action yet, and that's where the week has ended, as we have seen in the last video. Now, as we stepped into the new week, which is week 51 of 2023, we see nothing really happened until on Monday, we have a nice buyer coming into the market. So we see temporarily the buyers are in control, and then they also see some sort of a sellers, but then there are strong buyers in the market indicating that the buyers are temporarily controlling the market. But we know the larger goal is to catch the big sell move that we are all waiting for. Now, as you see, nothing happened here. There was a huge pressure coming from the seller side, which is interesting, but at the same time, the buyers are equally in control. So we see a large spike over here, and then the buyers continued their move all the way up to this level that we have previously marked. So it's at the resistance, and we see a very strong reaction from the resistance, which clearly mentions that the sellers are in the game. They are starting to take control over, right? And as the price comes down, it's almost at these levels where the prices have previously moved up. But at this point, we have seen the price is not really moved up a lot. So it means that maybe the buyers are almost over and the sellers continue to take over and then start moving in the sideways direction. So this is where probably we could try to enter as we see that the buyers are no more active in the market. And then you can take a trade somewhere over here and see what's going to happen. And as you see, the buyers tried for one more time and then continued in the direction of the larger move. So the price seems to going down, and we're expecting the prices at these levels where we are going to take profits. But then the price seems to be moving sideways until then. Let's see, that's where the week has ended. So let's see how it goes. But overall, we have entered a trade here, and then we see some profit potential here, with that area being the massive buy move. So you can take some partial profits here. So you've already closed the week in positive, and the next step is to wait for the next week to start and see if the price will actually reach the support levels. Thank you very much. I'll be back with another video next week. See you.